Oh, what'd you do, Weenie?
I'm just about ready to slip in this water.
Oh, trying to find out what the temperature is, huh?
I wanted to see what the temperature
Oh,
is
nice
out
day out there. Look at our view.
Look at me.
What a pretty view we have.
Oh, God. This is all in my boat.
Ooh, we better check out the waterfall.
Check.
We're having a gully washer. A gully washer? Haven't you heard of them?
See if you get a picture of the...
Look at that stuff coming down. Look at the rivers we got here, everybody.
Oh, this is wonderful here in Hong Kong.
Such a beautiful day.
We talk about it always being so sunny. Oh. Does this typhoon... Oh, there goes more lightning. Did you get that?
I don't know.
I wonder if it'll fade. It's just coming down like crazy. Can you see the waterfalls up there?
Whoa. I don't know if this is going to turn out.
Did you look straight down?
Yeah, I did.
Show the pool where we can swim, where it's covered.
Oh, the covered pool?
Oh, gosh, did you see that lightning?
Oh, there's guys swimming in there.
Is there? It's our kids.
Is that where the boys are?
It's our kids, and that's not the pool. Ah! Can you see the catch drain, honey?
The what?
The pools where the water catch is.
Where's that? Oh, down here?
No, up there.
Where?
Where the...
Oh, the pool.
Yeah.
Wow, that was some heavy thunder.
That wasn't an airplane.
Boy, that's amazing.
And that's something else.
Right up into the clouds. Ooh, I got that one, I think. Okay, time to go see if this is turning out.